Welcome to this new episode of Business Planet. This time we're in Vigo in Spain. This week's challenge is how to make cooperation among European countries in the EU's defence sector more efficient. We're with Antonino Arecci from Leonardo Industries. So Antonino, how about cooperation between EU countries when it comes to the defence sector?
We've just launched the Ocean 2020 project. It involves 42 partners from 15 European countries. Its main goal is to display technologies for reconnaissance, sea interception and monitoring missions by a European fleet through the use of aerial, surface and underwater drones.
Thanks, Antonino. And now let's look at a concrete example right here in Vigo. Ocean 2020 is a programme that supports research and development through a consortium led by Leonardo Industries in the framework of the EU Defence Fund. Its goal is to establish direct trans-European industrial links among smaller and bigger companies in order to integrate their production as much as possible. Startups and smaller enterprises are members of the consortium along with the bigger defence and dual-use industrial players. For example, a Spanish naval engineer developed a preliminary prototype of a sea drone.
From a marine engineering point of view, unmanned surface vehicles are opening new horizons. Until now, the need to carry crews on board has imposed a lot of limitations from an operational point of view. Now, these sea drones offer much more freedom when it comes to designing them.
Inigo's startup is one of the members of the Ocean 2020 consortium, which pledged him a contribution of €200,000 to develop and to equip the unmanned boat with high-tech devices compatible with an operational European integrated fleet. Inigo's design puts the EU defence industry directly into competition with US and Israeli high-tech companies, and that's an extremely ambitious goal. So, Antonino, just how innovative are these kind of craft?
Ships of this type allow monitoring and reconnaissance sea operations in potentially dangerous waters both offshore and near the shore with absolutely no risk for the life of the crews. The participation of SMEs in military and R&D projects ensures that suppliers are also involved in the European defence integration process. SMEs are rich in talents and credibility and contribute substantially to technical innovation.
Thanks, Antonino, and thanks for you for watching our programme. You'll find further information on the Business Planet website and on Euronews' social networks.